Here we are at the car wash. We're gonna start cleaning this thing up so we can get ready to repair it. So we're gonna be power washing it, get all the grime and crap off of it, so it makes it easier for us to re-weld it, repaint it, all that awesome stuff. So stay tuned and we'll get back at this again soon. Alright, so it finally got a little bit warm outside, so we're able to wash this thing. So we got about the 40 years of grime off this thing. So now we can head on to our next area and start working on this thing. So stay tuned. Alright, so here we are, we're about ready to start working on this thing. So we got that board there for our, our guide, where we need to put that kickstand at. So we're gonna heat up this bracket here and bend it down to touch that board, like we talked about before. As we're heating it up, it's gonna turn cherry red, then we can start bending it down here soon.
You can show the slot where we cut it.
Oh yeah, there's a slot where we cut it so it would bend easier.
Oh yeah, there it moves a little. Let's get close.
Right. Getting red now.
I'm not going to move it too fast.
So when we bend this out, it's going to leave a gap there. We'll be able to fill it with weld and make this a nice, strong rejoinment with welding. As long as it don't break off, then we gotta just re-put it or put it on there again anyway. So. So we have been able to move it so far, it looks like. And there's a gap there now. A good, decent one. There we go. There it is. We got to the board.
There's the V that we got to fill.
And then, yeah, that's the V we got to fill with weld. Stay away, it's hot. So, stay tuned. We'll get some more action going on here with repairing this thing. Alright, so we're back at the Tiger here, and we got the front end to put on here. And we use that board to help us torch this kickstand down, and well, with the front end here we can tell that this is kind of the angle it needs to sit at when it's sitting there and resting on its side stand. So looks like this is going to work. And the kickstand is sitting flush there, so we verified it this way, not just using the board and hoping it was going to be right and find out it wasn't right. So anyway, so we're going to end up welding this here pretty soon. So stay tuned and we'll get going on this thing here pretty quick, and we'll be able to get this thing repainted soon. Alright, so we cleaned up this nice goobered up welds here, made it look a little bit better so it doesn't look so bad when it gets painted. Before it was all like, you know, chicken scratches and stuff. It was ridiculous looking. So I remember from the original other movies and stuff I posted or whatever. But yeah. So anyways, this is all cleaned up and ready to be painted here too. So stay tuned. All right, so there we go. We got it all welded up here. Did a pretty good job here. It looks like turned out well. So next off, we'll work on getting this thing painted. So stay tuned. All right, we're gonna do some sanding here on this frame. We're back to working on this thing. We're gonna get it ready for paint. So we gotta take it apart the rest of the way. Remove the swing arm from the frame. We're gonna get it scuffed up pretty good so they can repaint it. So stay tuned. We're working on this frame here, and then next thing we know, we might be able to see the parts all tore apart, and then off to the body shop it goes. All right, we got this thing all scuffed up, and we're gonna get ready to go have it painted. So stay tuned to you can see this thing all painted next time. All right, so here's the swing arm. We got it all scuffed up and got rid of some of the scaly rust on there that was kind of getting bad. So next, this thing will be ready to paint here. They'll finish scuffing it up and stuff at the body shop, so I'm not too worried about that. And they'll paint it really nice. So stay tuned. All right, so we just got done picking up these parts for the Tiger here, from the getting repainted, and did a pretty good job. It's off black, you know, kind of like matte in a way, but not too glossy. A lot of these frames weren't really shiny that much, but turned out really good. Remember, we had some repair we did back here, and it got it all fixed up, and yeah, nice and shiny, nice and new black again. So the next thing we're going to be doing is getting ready to start assembling this thing and doing some motor work and stuff. So hope you enjoyed all this frame repair and repainting segment here, and stay tuned for more exciting things to come here with this Tiger as we start working on this project and getting it ready for the road again.